Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Alisha binti Muhammad Ruzi. My matrix number is MS211110189 and I am from class F3P5. So in this video, I'm going to talk about one of the organic compound that I chose, which is tartaric acid. So for the next slide, there are 5 main contents in my video. Number 1, the IUPAC name of the tartaric acid. Number 2, the example of the usage of the tartaric acid. Number 3, the molecular structures of the tartaric acid. Number 4, the presence of chiral carbon in the structure of tartaric acid. And number 5, the functional groups and class of carbon atoms that exist in the tartaric acid. Let me start with the IUPAC name of the tartaric acid. The official name or its IUPAC name is 2,3-dihydroxybutene acid. In this name, the 2,3-dihydroxy refers to the two OH groups on the second and the third carbon atoms, and the butane portion of the name refers to a 4-carbon molecule. The dioic acid portion communicates the existence of two organic acid COOH groups on the molecule. Next, there are few examples of the usage of the compound. Tartaric acid is often used as an acidulant in beverages, gelatin desserts, hard soft confectionery, and baking powder. So for the beverages, as for example, we can find it in wine for grape and lime flavored because tartaric acid has a stronger and sharper taste than citric acid. It is also found naturally in many fruits such as apples, papaya, strawberries, mangoes, and many more. Next, we have jams, jelly, and fruit preservative as the example of gelatin desserts. Jellies are traditionally prepared using gelatin. The materials is dissolved in hot water and gelation occurs on cooling in a refrigerator. Technically, jams and preserve are identical, except the term preserve is used for product containing whole fruit. On the other hand, for hard sour confectionery, did you notice most of the sour candies are coated with some thin layer of white granules? Well, those granules are called sour sanding. Sour sanding is made from citrate of tartaric acid and sugar. Lastly, tartaric acid also can be used in baking powder. The acidic monopotassium salt, which is more commonly known as cream of tartar, is used in baking powders and leavening systems. It is because it has limited solubility at lower temperatures, so cream of tartar doesn't react with bicarbonate until the baking temperatures are reached. This ensures maximum development of volume in the finished product. Let me move to the next slide. There are two molecular structures. The first one is condensed structure and the second one is the skeletal structure. So for the next part, the presence of the chiral carbon in the structure. I'm going to explain what is chiral carbon. Chiral carbon is also known as chiral center, which is a carbon atom that attached with 4 different atoms or group of atoms. Sometimes it is also called as an asymmetrical carbon. So as you guys can see here, tartaric acid has 2 chiral carbon or chiral center as shown with the asterisk sign, but 2 of the 4 possible stereoisomers of this compound are identical. Next, we move to the last content in this video, which is functional groups and class of carbon that exist in the compound of tartaric acid. There are 4 circles here, but actually it is only contain 2 functional groups. The first one is this carbon that bonded with O and OH. Its functional group is carboxyl. For the second one is the carbon that bonded with OH and its functional group is hydroxyl. Both of this left and right side of the structure are the same. Here we have COOH and this one is also COOH. Same goes with the COH and the other one is also COH. So that's why this only contains 2 functional groups. Last but not least, the classification of carbon. As we all know, there are 4 different types of class of carbon, which is primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The difference between all of them is when a carbon atom that is bonded to either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 carbon atoms. So for the tartaric acid, it has secondary class of carbon at the second and the third carbon atoms because it is saturated, which contains single bond only and bonded with another 2 carbon atoms. The first and the last carbon atoms do not have any class of carbon because it is unsaturated and contain double bond. So that is all from me. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.